Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're like me and love a good DIY project, especially for a little one, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of making your own baby clothes. It's not as hard as you might think, and it's such a special way to create something truly unique and full of love. Plus, it's a fantastic way to save a little money and upcycle fabrics you might already have. So, where do you start? First things first, let's talk about fabric. The most important thing for baby clothes is comfort and safety. You'll want to choose soft, breathable, and natural fabrics like 100% cotton, organic cotton jersey, or bamboo knit. These are gentle on a baby's delicate skin and easy to wash. Steer clear of anything scratchy, synthetic, or with loose fibers. A great tip is to repurpose old soft t-shirts from adults. They're already worn in and perfect for a tiny new outfit. Next up, patterns. You don't need to be a professional designer to find great patterns. There are tons of free and low-cost patterns available online. A quick search for free baby clothes patterns will give you thousands of options, from simple hats and booties to little leggings and onesies. Start with something simple, like a knot hat or a pair of no-scratch mittens. These are quick projects that help you build confidence. Once you've mastered the basics, you can move on to more complex items. Now, for the fun part, sewing. If you have a sewing machine, that's great, but you can absolutely sew baby clothes by hand. For stretchy knit fabrics, use a ballpoint needle in your machine and a zigzag stitch. This allows the fabric to stretch without popping the seams. If you're hand sewing, a simple backstitch is strong and durable enough for most baby clothes. Remember to pre-wash your fabric before you cut and sew. This prevents your adorable tiny creation from shrinking into an even tinier, unwearable piece after the first wash. Finally, think about closures. Snaps are often easier to manage than buttons on a wiggly baby. Plastic snaps are a popular choice and can be applied with a simple hand-press tool. If you do use buttons, make sure they are sewn on extremely securely to avoid any hazards. You can also opt for simple lap neck designs for tops and onesies, which don't require any closures at all. Making your own baby clothes is such a rewarding experience. It's a chance to pour your creativity and love into something tangible. Imagine your little one snuggled up in something you made with your own two hands. I hope this has inspired you to give it a try. If you have any questions or want to share your own creations, please drop a comment below. I'd love to see what you make. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative projects. See you next time.